Yep, I'm traveling again. In this video, I will show you my mini shopping haul and how I organize everything for travel. Perfect for dinner. Oh, looks cute. What did you think of this, guys? Oh my god, this is giving me Elsa's vibes. My favorite color for PJs. Okay guys, I may have shopped like I'm moving abroad permanently, but it's just a trip. Don't judge. Alright, so these are all the outfits. The question is, am I actually gonna wear them or am I gonna end up wearing PJs the whole trip? Now here is the ultimate challenge. How am I gonna fit all these clothes into one suitcase? You know what? I might have to sit on it until it zips. So guys, when it comes to packing, I love my packing cubes to organize everything. Oh, these shoes, aren't they stunning? But we all know I'm gonna regret packing them after walking 10 steps. Time to pack some makeup. Yay, all done. Can you guess where I'm going?